The Impeach Adam Schiff funny pro-conservative Republican gift shirt French. Impeach Adam Schiff funny pro-conservative Republican gift shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. Few days of no Impeach Adam Schiff funny pro-conservative Republican gift shirt toll on my morale and strength to keep doing my part. It was a uselessly small study, and the initial Chinese study seemingly lacked a lot of data. If an effect size is large, a sample can be small. If the effect size is big enough to be meaningful, it won't take long before we know it. Official Impeach Adam Schiff funny pro-conservative Republican gift sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. Here is the report from Impeach Adam Schiff funny pro-conservative Republican gift shirt. The presence of infections. Just remember what happened last time the public pushed for a quick solution to what was perceived to be a major health crisis. Many people got injured when they developed Guillain-Barré syndrome. Other products.